In today's video, I'm going to teach you QuickBooks tutorials. How do I enter cashback rewards on a credit card? Cashback rewards are a nice perk, but they still need to be recorded properly so your books stay accurate. The cleanest way to do this in QuickBooks is to record the reward as a credit against your credit card, which reduces the card's balance and categorizes the reward to the right account. Start by opening QuickBooks and clicking New at the top left. From the list of transaction types, choose Credit Card Credit. This form is designed for anything that reduces what you owe on a credit card, and it works perfectly for rewards that appear as credits on your statement. At the top of the form, use the Bank/Credit Account dropdown to select the specific credit card account where the reward landed. Be sure this matches the card shown on your statement, especially if you manage multiple cards. Next, go to the Category Details section. In the Category column, select the account you use to track your cashback rewards. Some businesses treat this as income, using an income or other income account, called something like Cashback Rewards. Others prefer to offset expenses by using a dedicated expense or contra expense account. Either approach can work. The key is to be consistent and align with your accountant's guidance. If you don't yet have an account set up for cashback rewards, you'll need to create one before you proceed, so the transaction has a proper home in your chart of accounts. Give it a clear name so you can recognize these credits at a glance in reports. Now, fill in the remaining details. Enter the date that corresponds to when the reward posted to your card. You can set the payee to your credit card issuer for clarity. In the amount field, enter the value of the cashback credit exactly as it appears on your statement. Add a memo, such as cashback reward, for easier reference later. If you use classes or locations, apply them as needed so your reporting stays consistent. Attaching a snapshot of the statement line can also be helpful for audit trails. When everything looks correct, click Save and Close. That's it. You've recorded the cashback as a credit to your credit card and categorized it to the appropriate account, keeping both your liability and your income or expense reporting accurate. Review your next reconciliation to confirm the credit appears as expected, and continue using the same process each time a reward posts.